Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to show you how to replace your grill on a 04 through 08 Ford F150. This particular model is an 06 STX, but we are taking the aftermarket grill that I had on there off because it's a lot of sun damage. It needs to be repainted, and we're putting the original grill back on there, but I kind of customized it a little bit with the oval, and I'll show you that. And there's another video that you can check that out to learn how to replace the ovals on your front grill and tailgate of your truck. So first thing you want to do is, the tools you're going to need is a 10mm socket. That's all. You're going to have these bolts here. You're going to have 4 bolts, 2 go on each side right here of the grill. The rest of these little nuts go along the top of the grill at the top edge, securing that to the truck. So one thing to keep in mind, you can do this by yourself, but take the grill, you're gonna have to lift it up and line these little holes up here. There's little holes where there they are. Now you can see it. You'll have to line up the holes, and then the grill will fit perfectly on the truck, and it will hold itself up long enough for you to apply all the bolts that you need to do. So we're going to go ahead and get that put on, and I'm going to shut the grill and show you what it looks like. Alright, we'll stick the little bolts, the nuts, on by hand, then we'll come back and tighten them. But I would start in the middle and work your way outwards to ensure a nice flush contact with your grill and your hood. So we're going to put these on here, come back and tighten them up. We'll shut the hood and let you take a look at it. And there is the original grill that came with the truck. So what I done was, cheap way to customize your truck if you don't want to have to replace the whole grill is simply change out the emblem. I have another video on this channel about that, so feel free to go on over there and check that out. But here, see how it fits flush and even? So I just started from the center, and I tightened my way all the way over to ensure a nice and even fit. So if you like this video, do us a favor, show your support, and smash that thumbs up button for us. If you find use in this video here, or you think that someone else that you may know is trying to replace their grill, needs a quick and easy way or a video to, like a tutorial to show them how to do it, refer them to this video here. As always, we thank you, subscribe, and until next time, God bless.